Now, we cannot speak about commercial approval of GM cowpea in Nigeria and the other countries that GM cowpea is being targeted, such as Burkina Faso and Ghana, without taking into account the larger industrial agricultural push in these countries, but also in particularly in Nigeria, which have been earmarked for agrarian extractivism and the Continental Free Trade Areas Agreement. Now, the agenda being pushed is that all of our African countries need to modernize African agriculture through dependency of GM technologies and value chain development, largely driven by the corporates. As ACB, we have written extensively about the targeting of orphan crops on the continent, and we have warned about the seed industry's target on Africa's lucrative cowpea and seed markets since 2015. Now, this for Nigeria to obtain a commercial approval of for a center of origin crop, which is cowpea, is actually a major insult to our African food systems. But it also is, for the biotech industry, a victory for them. We have made solid arguments targeting the biosafety issues around risk assessment, in particular on the unintended effects of Bt toxins of the plant on the environment, and on non-target organisms, issues about gene flow and contamination of a center of origin and diversity. It's a pity that Nigeria, being the largest producer of cowpea, and this introduction is happening in Nigeria, which West Africa is also a lucrative and burgeoning market for cowpea, is going to affect millions of smallholder farmers. And it's going to have dire implications on their production practices, on women, because cowpea is a woman's crop. It's going to impact on diversity on the farm, and also have negative socioeconomic impacts on smallholder farmers. We must reject genetic engineering of our heritage and continue to reject these false solutions for the African people. Rather, we should encourage real solutions rooted in African people and democracy. And most of all, we must and should protect and defend our African heritage.